14 profitable businesses you can start with lower amount than KSH 5000 in Kenya. 1. Jewelry making. Jewelry materials like brass, strings and bead are relatively inexpensive, making this an ideal business idea if you're limited money-wise. Additionally, with so many platforms for such businesses, this can be quite lucrative. 2. Moving business. You can offer affordable moving services by investing in a handcart. Additionally, hiring someone to operate the handcart is fairly cheap. 3. Food vendor. You can capitalize on making popular homemade food. If you know how to prepare coast dishes, the better. These types of food are on high demand and there aren't enough people selling them. 4. Vlogging. Since YouTube is free and most people have a decent camera phone, you might not even have to spend a shilling. All you have to do is look for a niche that's not as common but marketable. Additionally, you can offer your professional skills through YouTube and get paying customers. 5. Tutoring. If you excelled in a specific subject in school, you can either offer private lessons or organize group learning for kids when schools are closed. 6. Influencer. If you have a significant online presence, you can turn it into a well-paying business by partnering with big brands. Even small businesses need an online presence. Most companies are capitalizing on the power of social media to grow their audience. Therefore, they're likely to give you a chance if you have something to offer. 7. Selling wallpapers. Most people live in houses with a dull paint done by their landlords. A number of them would like to have the exterior looking better, but without necessarily repainting it. You simply get ready-made wallpapers either from local wholesalers or by importing from countries such as China. You can then sell each wallpaper roll for KSH 3500 and include a KSH 1000 charge for installation. That translates to more than double profit. 8. Distributing black coffee. For starters, you will require a 10-liter capacity flask, some disposable plastic cups, sugar and coffee, and well, a bit of hard work. As long as you are willing to give it your best, there is no reason why you should walk away with less than KSH 1000 per day in profits. 9. Making homemade strawberry jam and selling. To start, you will require some strawberries, sugar, lemons, pot, wooden stick and some plastic containers for packaging. You can then secure KEBS license and start supplying to supermarkets. 1 kilogram of strawberries will give you approximately 6 cans of jam, each weighing 250 grams. You can then sell a 250 gram for KSH 200, making at least KSH 1200. 10. Become a clown. All you need to do is acquire clown costumes. Then start approaching party planners, especially kids' parties, and request to be hired as a clown or entertainer. 11. Phone accessories. There's a huge market for phone accessories. Some business ideas for phone accessories include phone case, car and desk holders, tripods, charms, earbuds/headphones, Bluetooth speakers, portable chargers and wireless chargers. 12. Sell handcrafted and homemade goods. DIY soap, candles, sauces, or pottery. You're in a unique position to find a small business idea. You can start out simple on a per-order basis or with a small batch until you start generating consistent sales. 13. Selling second-hand clothes. The second-hand clothes business is one of the most lucrative businesses you can start with little capital. The sale of second-hand clothes has changed many people's lives, especially the youth who fail to secure formal employment. The success of your Midamba business will depend on your ability to identify the customer's needs. 14. Sell print-on-demand merchandise. Create unique, customized products with your own designs to create something original. For example, products such as t-shirts, bags, or phone cases, hoodies, skirts, pod merchandise give you a lot of creative freedom. Another cool option, sell merchandise with original artwork that you can hire and collaborate with freelance artists through sites like Fiverr, 99 Designs, or DeviantArt. Once you're ready to sell, simply connect your online store to a platform like Printful, Gelato, or Printify. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.